Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Trisha. For those that are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Today I wanted to give you an update on the guest bedroom that I'm doing for my mom. She is coming on Tuesday, so I want to at least prepare it so that she could come in. I just have to realize that the things that I want to do is not going to get done before she comes. So I'm going to just share the updates that I made just in case you have guests coming and you want to kind of tidy up. There's a couple of things that you could do that's not going to take that long, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did. In case you didn't look at my last video, I wanted to get you up to speed as far as this room. So basically, I cleaned out the entire room. It was very empty. I had already painted one of my walls a dark gray color. Then I changed out my drapes, my rug, as well as my light fixture. So this is where I'm at currently. Alright guys, so I put in the day bed. I absolutely love this day bed, and when I saw it, it took a while for me to look for day beds. I really don't like the traditional day beds, but everybody has their preference. You know, I'm more of a modern type girl, so I wanted something a little bit sleek and looks like a couch but can be used for a bed. I didn't decorate it for someone to sit on. I am preparing this for my mom. So I want to go ahead and put the linen on there, so that's one less thing that I have to do. Everything is super clean and comfortable for her to come and relax when she gets here. Also, I went ahead and did a painting. I named this painting Balance because it's a line and it's a little bit off. So that's kind of the word for this year for me, balance, and I think it's going to be for next year. Just trying to get everything a level as far as your life. So this is very intentional. This is supposed to be like a calming environment, a place where you can come and relax and be comfortable and kind of, you know, be at ease. So that's why I have this particular painting up here. It's very simple. It's very minimal. I did not do a video on it, but I will be doing another video in the future on some other paintings that you could do. So, also, I added a medallion up at the top. I have looked at a lot of ceiling medallions and I thought this was a really nice one. The style of it is really modern and I really like the simplicity of it, but it has a little bit of detail. This is something that is easy to put up. You do have to cut it. So this medallion comes in two parts, and at the center you will see there is a crease, and that needs to be filled with caulk, and that's something that I have to do. I'm not going to be able to do that right now, but I will get to it probably after Thanksgiving. If you notice, I painted the bottom of the tree. It was a little bit lighter than a mahogany color. I didn't really feel that it flowed with the colors that I had in the space. So I decided to paint that a black color with some leftover paint that I had. It looks 100% better than it did before. Beside the day bed, I added a side table. This was something that I thought would be very functional for the space. If she wanted to put her change in there, I have a catch-all tray. I thought it would be nice to have a side table where she could put her phone or books that she may be reading, anything that she can quickly get to from being on the bed. Also, I added a TV in here so that she can be entertained when she wants her privacy. This is something that's temporary. I do not like the fact that it has cords showing. Ultimately, I want to have the TV hanging on the wall and the plugs behind it so that you don't see the cord. Also, I might change this table and just do kind of a bookcase or a TV bookcase combo where you can put books in here as well, because I think this will be a great room just to come in here and read books and just lounge out if I don't have any guests in here. Also, I would like to frame my painting at some point. It really doesn't take that long to do, so in the next video I'll make sure I do that. Or if you follow me on Instagram, and hopefully you do, I will also add a picture of what it would look like with a frame. It makes a big difference when you do that. I also added a floor lamp. This is the pharmacy floor lamp. I am in love with this particular floor lamp. It's just very sleek and functional, so if she's laying in bed, she can just turn it on and use it to be able to see like a book she's reading or while she's on her phone. So I thought this would be very helpful for you, and just in case you wanted a couple of ideas, this does not cost a lot. There are so many medallions online that you could choose from. So guys, I hope this was very helpful and that you got some good insight. There's still so much more I need to do in this space, but I just wanted to share this with you. Just keeping you in the loop as far as my progress. Just let me know in the comment section what you like the most. If you have any advice, just, you know, I would love to hear that as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And I will talk to you later. Bye.
Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.